Hello everyone and welcome back to Let's Make a Sci-Fi RPG part... I don't know whichever part this is. In the last episode, we didn't get very much done, it seems. It feels like we didn't get much done. We went through my list. We stopped the enemy from shooting the player when the enemy died, so that was something. And then we saw that the shader graph dissolve effect wasn't working. And I don't know how to fix it yet, and I don't have time to figure it out because this I have to finish this and hand it up within the next day or two. So I decided to try something easier, which was scale the enemy down to 0. That didn't work either by the end of the video, so great. What I've done, hopefully we won't have too many issues with OBS now. I'm not sure if I fixed the settings or not. I've fiddled with them, but we shall see. So all I've done is I've created a capsule in my test scene. So we'll just pop back into Unity for a second. Where's Unity? Here. I just created this guy. I haven't done anything else. And I've created a script called Scale Down, which I haven't written yet. So I'm just going to try and test in the update function if I can get the capsule to scale down to 0. And if I can do that, then I should be able to get it to work on the enemies. Because I'm not quite sure why that's not working. So we're going to basically try the same thing we did before. I'm going to declare the floats up here. So we're going to have a float, current scale X, and a float current scale Y, and a float current scale Z, and a float min scale that's going to be equal to 0. At the start, we're going to say current scale X is equal to transform dot local scale dot X. We need a semicolon there. Then we're going to say current scale Y is equal to transform dot local scale dot Y, and current scale Z is equal to transform dot local scale dot Z. And on the update, we're just going to say we're going to make it a function. So we're going to say void scale down. And we're going to say that we're going to just do what are we going to do? We're going to have another scale. So we're just going to say float scale is equal to will this work? mathf.lerp, and then we're going to call current scale X to min scale over say 2 seconds multiplied by time dot delta time. I'm going to do the same thing. Actually, I'm going to have to call that float scale X float scale Y is equal to mathf.lerp current scale Y min scale over 2 seconds, a little space there, multiplied by time dot delta time, and we'll do a float scale Z, which would be equal to mathf.lerp current scale Z min scale over 2 seconds by time dot delta time. And in the update function, we're going to call scale down. So basically, what's here? Scale down. Scale down members cannot be the same as their enclosing type. I'll just call it die for now then. We're going to call this die. I'm going to call that there. Okay. Scale down. I don't have anything called scale down. Okay, I don't know. I'll save that. So theoretically, it should work. I'm going to try some things. We've got our capsule here. We're going to put our scale down script onto it. We're going to just Control Shift F to look at the capsule. We're going to keep an eye on its scale once the scripts have finished compiling. We're going to see if this is. I know I did this, right? This is the annoying thing. I'm just going to hit play and see what happens. For Snowball's Chance in Hell, I had the snowball scale down over time, over about 60 seconds or so. Nothing's happening. 1, 2, its scale is still 1, and it's not going down. Okay. Try a new thing. Am I getting any errors? Specifically there? No. Nothing specific to this. Okay. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to see what happens if I change this around and do min scale, comma, current scale x. I'm just going to do one line, comma, we need a comma, over 2 seconds by time dot delta time. By time dot delta time, yeah. So this will only scale it on the x-axis if this works. But if it works, we can do it for the y and the z. Yeah, in Snowball's Chance in Hell, I used a coroutine, I think, or a while loop. I can't actually remember. I can go back and look at that script, though. Nothing. It's playing. The enemies aren't moving yet. So X scale is not moving. So this isn't working. So we're going to do a debug.log. I'm just going to say shrinking. See if it's even calling this code. And go back and hit play. Try and find out why it's not working. Console shrinking. So it is calling it every frame, but it's not setting the scale. Okay. Transform.local scale. So we're saying current scale is, and the minimum scale is 0. And we want to go from the current scale, which would be 1, to the minimum scale, which would be 0. Scale of math.lerp. Scale between. Linearly interpolates between A and B by T. So it should go between A and B, or A and B. So it should be 1 to 0. It should linearly interpolate between them over 2 seconds. It's not. Current scale is equal to the transform.local scale. But so I want to scale it down, and then we want to say current scale x is equal to scale x. Maybe current scale y is equal to scale y. And current scale z is equal to scale z. Because basically we're saying current scale x is equal to, so all these current scales are equal to the transform's local scale, which in this case is 1. Then we're saying, we're creating this random float to say, and saying that this float is equal to an interpolated transition between the minimum scale and the maximum scale. I'm actually going to put this back to the way it was. I think the way it was right. So min scale. But what we're never doing is saying that the local scale is equal to this new stuff that we're making. No. Yeah, current scale is equal to scale x. I don't know if this will work. The idea is right. We want to get the scale. We want to create a variable that has this interpolated value, and then we want to set the scale to this. Now we're saying this is equal to the scale And then this is going to be equal to this, which is equal to the scale. But I don't know if that will just change this value or if it will change the scale value. I don't know. We might have to mess around with setting these to this or setting... See, I don't think you can set stuff like this. Let's just see. I think I'm on the right track. I'm not sure I'm there yet. But I'm trying. I'm getting there, I hope. We play. Once I start moving, we'll see if anything... No scaling. But it is saying that... okay, so no. Okay, so then we might want to say is... I don't think this will work. Transform dot local scale dot x. I don't think you can do it this way is equal to scale x. This has to be a variable. Can I say I'm doing it here, so I'm saying that these values are equal to these values, but they're not. If I change these values, it's not necessarily changing these values, because right now I'm just saying, well, this is the same value as this, but I can easily change this and it won't change this, unless I say cut that out of there and put it in here. So every frame you want to check, the current scale is always going to be equal to the local scale. But you want you want the local scale to be equal to this. So what you need to do is get the local scale. So can we transform? Oh, I wonder if I can just get scale. Can I just get a scale? No. Let's just do scale down. That's a class. Okay, well, we'll just get a transform because that you can't change from a transform to a float, can you? A position, rotation, and scale of an object. Transform. Let's just say call it. See if I can call it scale x, and say that it's equal to it's equal to. Well, let me do it here. It won't let me do it here. Okay. Then we're I did it with a coroutine. I'm not sure how. Okay, bear with me. I'll be back. Okay. We're recording? Yeah, I'm back. So we need to set the local scale. Is there anything you can do like let's see, transform dot set position and rotation. No. What else do I have? I have current scale. Current scale x dot, what do we have here? No. I did it as a coroutine. No, so we're current scale is equal to transform dot scale. What's equal to that? Then we want to set this to be equal to something else. So what did I have here? I had current scale x. I'm going to try some different things here, right? Current scale x is equal to scale x. I'm going to try scale y is equal to current scale y. And see if either of those works. But again, I don't think they will. Just let's wait and see. But I don't think they will. I don't know. The annoying thing is I have done this before. None of the scale is changing. None of the scale is changing. So none of that worked. It does have the script on it. Yeah, it does. And I am calling it, yep. Scale x would be equal to transform.localScale. Transform.localScale dot x. Not work? No. Why is it not working? Cannot type float to the Unity engine transform. So it won't let me do it that way. If I use a vector 3, it won't let me use mathf.lerp unless I do a vector 3. We'll call this just call it object scale. Object. Oh no, we can't call it object scale. Oh, well, actually, probably can. There's just no space. Object scale. I'm gonna go object scale is equal to transform.localScale. So we got all this. So that's a vector 3. Now I should. So that's object scale. Is equal to, so object scale is going to be equal to that. But I wanted to get that to be equal to object scale, but it won't let me. No. What if I was to get component scale? To get component transform, and then access the scale within that. That's actually, I don't think this is going to work, but we're going to try. I can do a game object or I can do a transform. Let's try this. Object scale. All right. What we're going to say is object scale is equal to get component of transform. Right. So this is that component. So then I should be able to then say stuff like I wonder if I can do it this way. Try this. Object scale. Object scale dot local scale dot x. Then we can try object scale dot local scale dot y. And then we can, oh shit, I should have done that. And scale should be there. And then we can try object scale dot local scale dot z. So we're gonna, and then we don't need this bit. And we don't need this bit. So it should theoretically go to the transform, go to the scale, go to the x scale, and then interpolate between the x scale and 0 over 2 seconds. It should work. We're going to hit play and see, take a look at the scale. Over 2 seconds. Oh, I kind of really thought that would work. I really thought that would work. Because it's going to the transform, it's going transform scale, local scale. Object scale. Let's just see what else is in there. Object scale. Dot scale. Dot local scale. Dot lossy scale. What's lossy scale? The global scale of the object. Read only. Local scale. Get set. The local scale. Dot scale. Oh, maybe that's what it needs to be. Dot scale. Multiplies every component of this vector by the same component of scale. Oh no. Dot get magnitude normalized x, y, and z. Can you do a set? Oh, dot set. Set x, y, and z for an existing vector 3. Set. Oh, I wonder if I could do dot x dot set. No. Okay. Can I do dot set dot x dot scale x? Okay. So object scale dot local scale. Oh wait. This is this a thing? Is this the thing that I've done? No, this is just. What's this? Maybe doesn't tell me. Okay. Well, we'll try it. We'll try it on the x-axis. Object scale dot local scale dot set. So we're setting it. Dot scale x. It's a local variable float scale x. You're sure you kind of want to get it, don't you? Well, we're going to try it. Well, it doesn't seem to want to work anyway. Set x, y, and z, vector 3, it's not given the current context. Okay, so no, not that. Dot local scale, dot scale, which just multiplies every component, dot get, no, just get type, dot x. Function goes from 1 to 0 unless it is going the other way. Again, we'll try it. We'll put min scale first. And we'll just go in here and put in min scale, object scale. This stuff doesn't need, just get rid of that, save that, check this. So this will only work on the x-axis if it's going to work at all. It should be doing it. It should be doing something. I mean, I could just animate it, I guess. That's just me playing with it. So, plot scale works. Oh, is it again the thing of you never? So then, okay, object scale dot x. It's not let me do it this time. Dot local. Yep. Go back. Dot local scale dot x is equal to scale x. No, let me do it that way. Why? The scale of the transform cannot modify the return value of transform to local because it is not a variable. It's not a variable. But how do I set it as a variable? Because I thought I had. We've got all these current scales that I'm not using, so. It's not a variable. It's not a variable. Can I declare it as a variable up here? Current scale, let's try here. I don't know if I can. Current scale is equal to, I don't think I can. Object scale, no. Transform dot, no. Transform dot, no. No. Not variable. What if I just created a variable? What if I just var object scale? No. Var s is equal to object. I'm just gonna pop that down there. And say s is equal to scale x. I don't think this is going to be the same thing as before, where we're just saying it's... am I doing this the wrong way around? Should I have this being done up here? Does that matter? Where you're saying that s is equal to the object scale, and then scale x is going to be the interpolation. I don't know anymore. I'm getting tired. Nothing happened. Okay. None of this is working. I did it before as an enumerator. And then I started a coroutine. Okay, I'm going to go and look up that script. Okay, we're back. Health is equal to transform to local scale at x. Current scale is equal to transform to local scale. Health is equal to current scale. That's basically what I was doing. And then I had, I didn't even have it, did I? Oh, I did, an enumerator. Max scale. To transform to local scale. While alive. Scalar, yeah. Max scale, which is this, a vector. Oh, it's a vector 3. It wouldn't let me lerp between a vector 3. Min scale is a vector 3. How interesting that it wouldn't let me. Okay. Okay. So let's just, we're going to just start from scratch here. Nope, go away. We're going to start from scratch here. Right. And die. Get rid of that. And get rid of that. I don't know if I'm going to need it as a... Okay, so we've got a vector 3. And it's going to be called max scale. It's actually going to be called... Yeah, max scale. Yeah. It doesn't really matter. Max scale, current scale, max scale. And a vector 3 min scale. It's going to be equal to 0. Void start, max scale is equal to transform.local scale. So at the start, you're saying that this is equal to whatever it is. In the case of our capsule, that'll be 1. And then I'm going to actually put a void back in. Void die. So I shouldn't have deleted that. I've also void die. And we're just going to say we'll do a flow. Did I have to do this? Current scale. I feel like I should have. Yeah. Oh no, real return scale lerp. Is this a thing? This is an enumerator scale lerp, and it takes in vector 3s. Update health is equal to current scale is equal to health is equal to. So saying health is the local scale, the current scale is the local scale, which is basically health, and health is equal to current scale. I don't know, that's confusing. This is also confusing. Transform to local scale is equal to vector 3 lerp dollar. While this is in a while loop. Okay, I might use a while loop. I can use a while loop. So we'll have, because we have a, it's only for when he's dead. So we'll do a bool is dead is equal to false. So what we'll do is while is dead is equal to true. While is dead is equal to true. Thing is, when he dies, he's always going to be dead then. I don't know. I'm very confused. Sorry, just load of notifications. Okay. Transform dot local scale is equal to mathf dot lerp max scale comma min scale comma 2 multiplied by not tooltip attributes time dot delta time. It's not liking this. Max scale is kind of convert unit. Yeah, so put it vector 3a, vector 3b, max scale, min scale. Vector 3. What? Scale lerp. So it's in this. So it's is equal to vector 3 dot vector 3 dot lerp abi. Well, what if I just did that then? Well, instead of doing a mathf.lerp, what if we did a vector3.lerp? Max scale, min scale. I might not even need this. Just do it over 2 seconds. Let's try it without the while loop first, because while loops are a bitch. I need to do that. So you've just got, and we'll just call die in here. Die. So we're just going to transform local scale a vector3 lerp. Where's Unity? Okay, we're just going to hit all compiler errors. Come on, just what? Int to vector. What are you complaining about now? Is that a false? It's never really. What? What are you complaining about? Error in scale down script. What's my own console? On line 9 and 24. 9 is here. And 24 is, there's nothing on line 24. Is equal to 0. Cannot implicitly convert type int is equal to, whoops, vector 3.0. Okay. Sorry. Jeez. That should fix compiler errors, and we should hopefully. Well, that's interesting. It's going up and down. Why is it going up and down? Let's just bring this down to like 0.5f, speed it up a little bit. Not quite sure why it's going up and down, but do I have anything in the update? No, I shouldn't. 8. Doesn't seem to want to go any lower. I wonder why. Interesting. So I have max scale is equal to transform to local scale, which is 1. On update, transform to local scale, go between the max scale and the min scale being 0. Over try 0.1 f multiplied by time to delta time, and we might even take out time to delta time. I'm just not quite sure why it's not just going from 1 to 0. Or yeah, 1 to 0. It's not going down at all, really, is it? What if I put it up? What if I put this up to? So what do we have it at 2? What do we put at 10? Not 0.10, sorry, 10. By time to delta time. Or, ooh. Why? 6, 5, 7, why is it going back up? Why is it going back up? Transform of a vector dot vector interpolates between two vectors. Does that mean it's going linearly? Yeah, it goes from. It shouldn't go back up though, right? Well, let's go at 20. I'm just checking some stuff, right? I just wanted to go down. We can fudge this, possibly, if it's small enough. Because what you'd be looking at would be, well, it just disappeared to 0, and it's not gone back up. Going too quickly though, but let's try 30. I don't know why this is happening. If anybody knows, let me know. I don't know what's going on. My understanding of it is that it should just go down. But it keeps trying to go back up, and I don't know why. So if you had that with the particle effect in the middle of it, and then suddenly it turns off, we can test that by going back to my enemy script. So it's basically just this. That's fine. Where's my enemy? Enemy controller. We've got all this stupid shit. We've got all this scale X, transform, all this stupid shit. Scale down time. We'll just take that out. What we're going to do is we're going to do a vector 3, call it max scale, and a vector 3 min scale, which is going to be equal to a vector 3 dot 0. I'm going to set it here, and if it's set it in the start function, max scale is equal to transform dot local scale. And then what we're going to do down here, where we have all this weirdness for scale, we're going to delete that, and we're going to say transform dot local scale is equal to a vector 3. I wonder if we could put in a new vector 3 dot lerp. No. So it's just going to be a vector 3 dot lerp. Vector 3 dot lerp. Unclamped. It's unclamped. Linear interpolates between two vectors. Lerp. I'm going to use lerp. We're going to do max scale. We're going to do min scale. And we're going to do 30 I time dot delta time. And then we're going to invoke disable enemy after 5 seconds. And we're going to see what that looks like. So I'm going to take one of my enemies. We're going to focus on him. Go back to my game view. Go back to my game view. Come on, come back to my game view. And we're going to actually just take a quick look. And we're going to get the camera to look at the enemies. And select one and hit play. And off they go, and their health is current health. Boom, 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 boom. Kill the dude. Whoop, nope. Where's he gone? Oh, I don't know where he is. Gotta kill the other dude. Kill another dude. Where is he? Right, you. We're gonna focus in on you, and we're gonna find your health. Health. Current health 5. Where you go? Don't go anywhere. Oh, did he die? Where is he? He's here. He's gone. Trying to find somebody before he dies. Current health. Just kill this dude. He basically looks like he just disappears. I'm going to bump this down to 20 maybe. 20. And try it again. Worst comes to worst, that'll do. and then we can move on to something else. Oh, Shiza. So which guy are we looking at? Which guy? We're looking at this guy. And we're going to take his health. Where's his health? And we're going to just kill him. He's over here. Ooh, he went a long way. It's hard to tell. He's not... he's just gone. He's gone. You know what? That's fine. That'll do. What I might do, just... we'll put back in the float. We'll put in the serialized field. Serialized fields. Whoops. We'll put in a float. We'll call it dissolve time, I think. Dissolve time. Oops. Dissolve time. And we'll set it to 20 because that's what it's at right now. But if I need to, I can change it in the inspector and see how that works. Cool. That's basically working. I'm going to save the scene. And then we're going to go back over to my level. And we're going to just check what's going on here. What's going on? We're going to check. We're going to check. 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to check if it works. And what I might as well do is bump up my player speed and see if I can get that. Not much I can do about the collider right now, but if I can get the player speed done, the enemy done, it's just the collider and then some visual polishing to do. So we'll be getting there. Yeah, it's a rush. Don't leave everything to the last minute, guys. Take my advice. Do I have a pause panel? I don't know if I can pause in this. I feel like I have. The lift canvas. Player variant can be deleted. Event system. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. I just want to kind of just maximize this on play. No. Look at that, 84 frames per second now for some reason. Probably because I closed Premiere Pro because it's finished exporting. So cool. And that video is now uploading, scheduled to be released tomorrow on the 9th at noon. But by the time you're obviously looking at this, that'll be a few days ago on the 9th at noon. So, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. Oh, God. This is what happens when I'm working past my dinner time. I need to go and get dinner soon. It's very sad. Okay. Oh, I never... Jesus Christ. What did I just say? No, stop it. That's cool. Stop it. That was sarcasm, by the way. That should not be happening. That's not cool. That is something else to fix. I might get rid of these walkways. I might redesign this entire bridge. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So where's my player? Here we go. Just focus on you for a second because. Right. Your step offset's fine. Let's just give you a little bit higher. Let's just go to say maybe like not 90, but let's go to 50. That might help with the ramp, maybe. Your skin width moved. So your run speed is 216. That seems like a lot, but you're still running quite slow. And what I might just do really quickly, you can get down those steps. You struggle. Whoa, you struggle here. So, sport paths. Come on. I don't have all day. I might just take all these, scale them out, make them a little bit wider. And then take all the railings and just, well, they're fine. Take all these railings. Oh, nope. Move the way I want you to move. Yes, I'm aware they don't all line up properly. Leave me alone. And then just move them. Where's my little move tool? Move them over to the edge. So it's a little bit wider. There will be collider issues here, possibly. And there will be an issue here. Definitely. So we're just going to scale this guy. And move him back. Or where is he? He's there. Move him back. Just move him there. That's fine. Wider. Okay, let's test this out again. And then maybe I can go get some dinner. Because I'm hungry. Oh. Right. Yeah, his movement speed still quite low. Still having an issue here. Don't know why. Unless he's colliding with the top. I'd have to have a look at the I'll have to have a look at the, just jump down. Yeah, there seems to be collider issues a lot of the places. I can't run under this. Is his collider too big? Oh no, I've got stuck. Let's just check that. It might be a collider issue. It seems to be a collider issue. Let's have a look. Well, let's just leave all in there for a second. So we're gonna have a look here. Let's just check the wall. No collider issue there. Let's check my player then. Wherever he is, player. He's got a character controller, an animator. Weirdly, did the player variant have a rigid body? He did not. He did not, and he didn't have a sphere collider. Human body did not have anything on it, just the renderer. Okay. Just want to make sure I have everything that I need on it. Let's check him out. Is his collider hitting the floor? When he's on the floor, it might be. So if he's on the floor there, his collider is kind of hitting the floor, so you don't want that. So you're just gonna look at his character controller, put the height up, get it out of, no, that's down, put it up. So you got it like there. And that's fine. That's better. Play. I don't know if this is gonna do anything. I'll have to have a proper look. This is not what we're here for. We're here to test the enemies dying. His run speed is very slow though, but 0.2 frames per second, yo. 0.8. Getting better. There was a brief moment of 40. Oh, we're at 50. Yay. What is he hitting off of? He's just... Oh, whoa. Something happened. Just get down the ramp. This is not good. Can I get out? Can I get out anywhere? Can I just... Without getting stuck, can I get out? Yeah, okay. I'll have to check that out later. He's still running really, really slowly. Oh, hello. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. I don't know why that is. Okay, now we got a test. Hello? Hello? Oh, hello. Ah! I missed. Ah! Oh, I missed again. Oh, the frames. Oh, the frames of it all. It's very bright. I might have to lower them down. Jesus Christ, shoot them. Shoot them. One's dead. Another's dead. Oh, there's one behind me. Oh no, look at him. I'm trying to see. Oh, wait. What's going on here? He's been beamed out. His body is gone. Okay, something weird happened with the other two guys. I don't know what it was. We got some debris. Ooh. Just trying to figure out how to block the corridors down there off. Oh, we're not in space, we've crash landed. I could put hull breaches with like a force field and then an image of an outdoor place, or maybe even just put in a... No, I don't have time to put in a train. I gotta figure out a better way to do that. So they kind of worked, I guess. But we're having issues with his, so I'm gonna turn off maximize on play. Just gonna have a quick look at this and see if we can't figure out what the fuck is going on. Because everything, so we're more interested in the scene view now than the... Oh, now he's moving like mad. But he's still not right. So it's there. That's where the issue is. I didn't mean to click on something. You stay where you are. While I try to come in here and see what's happening. So he's here. Let's just check this. What is going on? He is on it. Just check his collider isn't really hitting with it. If I try to move forward, go back into my game view, he's not moving. If I turn up his slope offset, not the step offset, slope offset, maybe put that up a little bit more. Go back in. No. Is there an invisible collider anywhere? Is he colliding with anything? Doesn't seem to be. Just doesn't seem to want to run down this. Okay. 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 I don't know why he's not doing anything. Floor panels. Is there? Just collapse them down. There's nothing on wall panels. There's no. I had a problem before where there was an invisible collider. Like in the middle, for some reason, in the middle, like here, and I couldn't walk past it, and it was because it was just the collider, it wasn't the object. That was quite strange. But that doesn't seem to be happening. Environment props. Is he going to select any of these things? It might take a while. Is there an invisible collider coming? Doesn't look. Oh, okay. I lost him there for a second. He's there. It doesn't look like he's hitting anything, so close them down. Level cameras, waypoints, doors, lights, enemies, collectibles, weapons, event system. Okay, so this guy. Let's say that he can step offset, so he can just. Let's just raise that. Nope. Slope limit. Bump that up to like. Nope. Why? Why won't he? Oh, now he's not even running backwards. He is stuck. He is stuck. Player. He's not as like. Is there anything? Is it? I wonder if I hit undo. I didn't mean to do that. Go back. Just. Whoops. Okay, go back to this dude. And put this back to 45. That doesn't seem to change anything. The character controller moved that. Can I? Whoa. Okay. Okay. That did something. Where is he going? He's up there. He shouldn't be up there. He's on that. He's still not able to move. He is walking on air. I'm not able to move. I was going to say, is there a maybe turn down the run speed? Oh, that's the wrong button. Go back up to him. Weapon range at force, gravity. Bring gravity down, maybe? Nope. What could it be? Maybe bring that up a little bit higher. Down. Maybe there. Because he's bring the height. Why is he falling into the thing? That's interesting. He's still unable to move, but he shouldn't be inside. Oh, I guess because his height. Bring the height back up. So that this circle is just above it. That did something. And then he's slow again. He's super slow. Go up. He can go up. He's here. Oh, he's getting stuck again. There's something. And it's something here. Oh, I don't know. What is it? What is going on? It's something something here on this one. Does this guy have a box collider? It has a box collider. Edit it. Where is it? It is fine. Nothing wrong with this collider. This dude just doesn't want to walk. I'm just gonna go. See, there's a bit of bumpiness there. Why? And now that he's been moved over it, he can run freely. And once he gets down, let's bump his run speed up. Okay, so that's a little bit too fast, I think, but he's moving faster. There is something going on here. Oh, well, he just sped right past it though. So let's see. Oh, my chair doesn't have a. It's too fast. Come on. Nope, he can't speed right past it. What the fuck is it? Oh, he can sometimes. Is there a lip? But he has a step offset, so he's really sticking on it. Why? Why? Is there, like, there's nothing? Okay, for a second there I thought there were. No. This guy? No. And there's no real lip to it. It's pretty smooth. This guy? No. These guys? No. Like, there's nothing stopping you. Oh, other than the fact that you're now. No, you're not. You're not inside it. I'm gonna. Did I change anything? Oh, I changed the speed. I know that much. Let's just. Okay. Well, we go to the player. Let's just focus in for a second. Here we go. All right, we're gonna look at this. That seems fine. Okay, it's not touching the ground. So the height seems okay. That is your character control player. Radius is fine. Height is okay. Step offset, I'm going to put it to 2 just in case that does anything. And speed, I'm going to put it to 350. Because when I maximize it, it seems to slow down. I don't know. Yeah, see, that's like 350. It's faster than it was, but he's still getting fucking stuck. You can't even jump over that. What the hell is going on? Is it this guy's mesh? Ooh, it is doing all sorts of weirdness. I can't even get over the fucking door now. It's alright, I can just glitch through it. I know all the cheats. Glitch through. Oh, glitch. There's no collider on that bit. Anybody gonna come looking for me? Oh, he's shooting at the door. Kill him. No, he didn't die. Kill him. There we go. Woo! Get him out. He popped over here. Oh, that's disgusting. And then just disappeared. That is gross and weird. And when he shoots, he runs faster. Guy's dead. Oh, this is the DPS. He didn't fly anywhere. He just disappeared. So it doesn't happen all the time. This guy. Look, is bright. Ooh. And then have a look. And he's just disappeared, right? Yeah, he's just disappeared. So one guy was a bit weird. So, and then I shoot. Oh, I'm clicking the wrong thing. When I shoot, I run faster. Oh, the frames drop. That does not make sense. Now I can't move through the doors. Fucking. Well, I'm not quite sure if we've gotten things fixed, if we're in a better place than we were at the start. Still a lot of problems and things to figure out. Let's just, he's got a, do you not have a body? Player UV human? Has a mesh renderer, IK handle, I don't actually need left arm, yeah, UV hit, there are the bones. This just has a mesh renderer. And alright, no. I don't have any colliders. I got a character controller, which is basically a collider. That's all I had on the other guy. And the scripts. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave it here. Zed don't know exactly what we got done, but we tried, and that's the best thing we can do. So yeah, I'll keep working on it, and we'll get through it. Don't worry. I always figure these things out in the end. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Help me out, because I have no idea what's wrong with this thing at the minute. Yeah, so consider liking the video and sharing it with people who you think might be interested in the content, and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you can keep up to date with everything that I've got coming out. So yeah, thanks very much, guys, and I will see you all next time.